DJI Mini 3 Pro, everything to know. DJI, the world's leading drone manufacturer, has just released its newest drone model, the DJI Mini 3 Pro. This new drone packs more features than its predecessor with the same compact and lightweight design that makes it so easy to carry around. With its larger sensor, built-in obstacle avoidance, and intelligent flight modes, the Mini 3 Pro will take photography and videography to the next level. Here's everything you need to know about the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Release date: DJI's Mini 3 Pro was released on May 10 to succeed the older DJI Mini 2 that was released back in 2020. The new drone is currently available for pre-order on DJI's website and at select retailers. It will go on sale officially on May 17. Pricing: the DJI Mini 3 Pro comes in 3 configurations. The most basic option is the Mini 3 Pro with no remote controller, which costs $669. This is for people who already have a compatible controller. Alternatively, the second bundle includes the DJI RC-N1 controller for $759. The most expensive bundle is the DJI Mini 3 Pro with the new DJI RC Smart Controller, which costs $909. For comparison, the Mini 2 costs $449 when it launched. A Flymark kit is offered as usual, and when compared to the individual pricing of the included accessories, it provides exceptional value for money. 2 intelligent flight batteries, a 3-battery charging hub, 2 propeller sets, and a shoulder bag are all included. The Flymark kit will cost you $189. Design and build quality: DJI has managed to retain its 249 grams weight with the new DJI Mini 3 Pro while still packing in some great features. This sub-250-gram drone will let you fly without having to register with the FAA in the United States and other countries. The build quality is excellent as you would expect from DJI. It has a light gray finish and a more rounded frame that looks sleek and professional. At 145 by 90 by 62 mm folded down, the Mini 3 Pro has a longer, wider, and more robust frame than its predecessor. The propellers and arms have been adjusted for a more aerodynamic design, which extends the flight time. DJI RC-N1 versus DJI RC Smart Controller. The DJI RC-N1 is the controller that comes with the standard kit. It is the same lightweight and simple remote that you get with the Air 2S, Mavic Air 2, and Mini 2. It features a telescopic phone holder with no built-in screen. Operators need to use a mobile device with the DJI Fly app installed to fly the DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI RC Smart Controller, on the other hand, is a more full-featured remote control that includes an integrated 5.5-inch with 700 nit brightness. It comes with the DJI Fly app pre-installed. It offers enhanced monitoring, composing, and framing. This controller also has a quicker setup because you simply need to screw on the thumbsticks to begin flying. As an added bonus, you can also use this controller with the DJI Mavic 3. Features and performance: the DJI Mini 3 Pro is a big step up from the DJI Mini 2. It now features a 3-way obstacle detection and avoidance system. It can be found on the aircraft's top, bottom, and rear. You can choose how the sensors work. You can either let the drone stop in position or automatically find a path around an object in its way using the Advanced Pilot Assistance System. The addition of these sensors also unlocks DJI's whole focus track suite, which is a first for the DJI Mini drone. This means you may choose a subject and the Mini 3 Pro will automatically keep that subject in the frame. In flight, Mini 3 Pro offers 3 modes: Sport, Normal, and Cine. Cine offers a slower flight speed, while the Sport is the fastest mode, with the drone able to reach 35.7 miles per hour. Despite its compact size and lightweight build, The Mini 3 Pro can withstand winds up to 24 miles per hour. The new improved battery is claimed to provide a flight time up to 34 minutes. If you need a longer flight, DJI will be selling an extended battery that will allow for epic 47-minute long flights. Unfortunately, this will come at the cost of an increased weight of above 250 grams and slightly reduced portability. Image and video quality. Another major update with the DJI Mini 3 Pro is the image sensor. DJI has managed to pack in a 12.1 MP 1/1.3-inch sensor which is capable of capturing 48 MP photos that can shoot 4K video and 150 Mbps bitrate. HDR video recording at frames rate up to 30 FPS is offered for the most vivid detail. The gimbal has also been fully overhauled, allowing for more camera angles than ever before. It can now rotate 90 degrees for vertical format pictures and videos with zero loss in quality. The Mini 3 Pro records in either a basic color profile or the flat D-Cine-like look. Its D-Cine-like offers greater post-processing options, while a normal color profile is offered for rapid in-app editing. There's also a digital zoom option that provides 2x zoom at 4K resolution, 3x zoom at 2.7K, and 4x zoom at FHD. Master Shots is also available on the Mini 3. This feature performs a variety of automated quick shot movements, including drone, helix, boomerang, and circle. It then automatically stitches them together to create a shareable clips. That's the end of our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!